Hey guys, and welcome to another video. This one's an impromptu idea that came to me as I was flying around beautiful Denver, Colorado with the Beechcraft Bonanza. I was practicing some ILS approaches and thought, what if the ILS approach didn't just bring me down to minimums? See, if you're into aviation, you'll know achieving proficiency at flying according to instrument flight rules, or IFR, is one of the most challenging feats an aviator can accomplish, but one that is met with an even more rewarding feeling. There's nothing like the sensation of a smooth touchdown, or in some cases, any touchdown, after what feels like an eternity during a foggy descent with just you and your instruments. So for this video, I wanted to put this G1000 glass to the test. What you're about to see is a full approach and landing using just the synthetic vision on the G1000 screen. Using the Microsoft Flight Simulator replay tool, I recorded the aircraft from the outside so you can enjoy a good old-fashioned split screen. Let me know in the comments how I did, and as always, if you enjoyed this video, tap that like button and give me a subscribe for a lot more. Without further ado, let's get right in.
Hey, hey.